Hi, I'm Michael Martini, third-generation winemaker for the Lewis M. Martini Winery here in the Napa Valley. Lewis M. was my grandfather. I'm the M out of the Lewis M. I want to talk to you today about using a double-sided cork pull to remove a cork from a bottle. The first thing that you need to do is to take the cap off the top, and as it goes around, it cuts the foil, and then it should peel off just like this at the end. Make a nice clean cut around the top of it. At that point, you can pull your handles up like that, so you can get a start on the bottle, and then you just screw this down. As you do it, you can see the handles coming up. Now, this is the value of this, is that when I pull these handles down, that cork is coming straight up. And that really keeps from breaking your cork in half. And a lot of times with older bottles of wine, you have to worry about that. And you just merely pull them down again, and you can remove your cork. Well, one little trick I learned along the way is that a lot of times when a cork comes out of the bottle, it doesn't necessarily want to go back in. You turn the cork over and you put the other side in like that, so the red side's up. And it helps you hold the wine in between, or if you knock the bottle over, it won't come out. So, this is Mike Martini on using a double-sided cork puller. Thank you very much.